and drone sound of the Rockies.
see what there is to see. So if anyone, you know it's me. I'm gonna move from place to place to find a house with a golden stair. And if that house is red and has a big brass bed, I'm living there, right there where I can learn to read and write, where I can see what there is to see. So from nowhere on the road to somewhere, and you meet anyone you know.